Welcome back for another XRP price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why XRP can see a break above the $1 mark in the next coming hours or maybe days. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, XRP is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. XRP has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, in a move that has now fully maximized the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And we have seen a reaction of the target area to the upper side, and there are high chances that soon XRP is going to get impulsive and start an impulsive wave to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5, which is what we expect after seeing a bit of a pullback in the formation of that wave 4. And before I can give you minimum target areas for this wave 5, it's good that I give you a recap of what has been happening since the December lows, where you can see that after seeing our December lows, we peaked in the formation of this wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. And after seeing the low for the second wave, we saw this massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, in a move that has now given us a high at around the $0.95 mark. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4, and there are high chances that XRP now has a low in place for the fourth wave, and soon we are going to see an impulsive wave to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5, and giving you minimum target areas for the wave 5 using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I have a target area for the wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $1.12693 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 5 to the upper side to do. And that fully supports my statement that XRP can see a break above the $1 mark in the next coming hours or maybe days in the formation of that wave 5. And that is what you can expect on the short term. And if I jump to the daily chart to also give you my long-term analysis and target areas on the long term here on the XRP chart, you can see that after seeing these lows in 2020, we saw this massive pump giving us a high at around the $1.98 mark, giving us the high for this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and XRP is going to get impulsive and give us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side, and just giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level that is the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $3.31785 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect XRP to do on the long term. That is on the long term in the formation of that wave 3. Get a break above the $3 mark and also fully maximize our minimum target areas. Also taking a look at the indicators on the 4-hour chart to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 54 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, still suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.